At Madco 3D, we're interested in solving the big problems, the housing crisis and the dying coral reefs of the world. And all of that is made in New Hampshire.
Life is Good sets out to spread the power of optimism by producing optimistic garden message and printing it on a variety of canvases.
My parents have always believed in organic food, natural products, and that same belief in kind of natural healing carried through into creating Badger.
We are a product design and development firm. We help people develop products that are medical devices, consumer health products, or sports tech.
Goodwill manufactures frozen pizzas here in Pittsfield, New Hampshire, but our customers are located across the country. New Hampshire is a great place to start a business because it brings workers that value a nice work-life balance. They become better workers because they live a better life. That's really the real secret sauce, pardon the pun, of Goodwill Foods.
We can reach out to our senators, our representatives, and we actually can get them on the phone. You do have that ability to be in dialogue and get support.
New Hampshire has one of the most educated populations in the United States. What we have found is the craftsmanship that we're able to achieve with the skilled workforce that we have in this area is unsurpassed anywhere in the country.
If you've lived in New Hampshire long enough, you know that this is a pretty incredible area for scientists, for researchers, for engineers.
When I hear the term made in New Hampshire, I think of pride in making something, commitment to making a great product. I think of people who care about being hands-on and have a stake in the user experience of their product.
One of our early products was a head impact monitoring system for American football. And that product we licensed to Riddell. We've become recognized globally as a product development firm that people would partner with.
Badger, with our focus on sustainability and the environment, being able to grow many of the ingredients around us in the gardens that go into our products, I can't actually picture us being in a different place.
We are able to produce high-quality, low-cost frozen pizza that is nutritious, free of artificial ingredients, and ship it to families all over America. We are fighting inflation from Pittsfield, New Hampshire.
The state of New Hampshire has been amazingly supportive, kind, engaged with us.
We're more successful by virtue of being in New Hampshire than we would be elsewhere.
Doing business in New Hampshire is absolutely spectacular.
Badger is
Simbex is
Madco 3D is made in New Hampshire.
made in New Hampshire.
made in New Hampshire.